we are now heading back to our analysis. At that price where BTC is, I told you it was a selling level.
Original women, whether you are video trading or sexting, if you are a shy person, video trading or sexting, if you are a shy person,
Yes.
video trading or sexting, if you are a shy person, video trading or sexting, if you are a
Okay.
shy person,
Members. I got to proceeding. Pola, let me. I'm setting the microphone. Kubanga ndowooza gye mbadde nkozesa si eri supposed okubeera nga ekozesebwa. Okay. That BTC level, the very strong selling level as per now. And we are going to Chugumire somehow. As of now, we are in for the euro analysis. Okay, we are in for the European CPI analysis. Okay. Understand? Let's proceed. I can show you some of my trades. on the board. Okay, I can show you some of my trades on the board. Okay, let's analyze CPI live faster. Me, I quit. I call it a day because people are not available. And looking at investing.com, it's like I'm just gonna give you a signal, then I proceed to my other things. Economic calendar, we are looking at the economic calendar. And for instance, in a period of understand, there is a reason as to why they are failing to give you the monthly forecast data. So can you see me and Uganda? No, so what? Okay. So we are looking at the monthly forecast data, and if you to see CPI, there is actually they say that there is an increase of just 1%, but that's really a slight margin or a very small margin compared to what we are expecting. And yesterday, actually, if you're to see, this is CPI for August year over year, and these guys are expecting an increase of 1%. Now, CPI, core CPI, remember I explained about core CPI. You go and watch that video where I explained about core CPI. Now, these guys are saying that there is a decrease. But remember, if this is the core CPI and they are expecting a decrease, which means without wasting much time, people are not active. Now, let's do this. Let me analyze Euro USD technically before I go off. Now, this is Euro, and I told you this was a very strong buying level, but it failed. Yesterday, if you look at the chart, they reached this level, they bought. But actually, unfortunately, they stopped at this level because there is a reason as to why they stopped at this level. And if you have been analyzing with me, you can really tell why they stopped at this level. Now, if you to see, this market has tried to create something like a support level within this area, but unfortunately, it's not because the market is just wising because it's preparing itself for NFP. You understand that? I mean, what? Uh, it's preparing itself for CPI. That's why it's over wising. I can show you some of my what? My my charts. Okay, I can show you some of my charts, but anyway, I wanted to show you my board. Let me just leave it. And me as me, I do edit my trading trends because it's me to govern my trade. So with Euro USD, it's not overselling, but it's going to buy. But again, fundamentally, it highlights a very weak economy. It does what? It highlights a very weak economy. And if I'm to be looking at this indicator, or if I'm to be looking at this economic indicator, the one we have been analyzing, we have been looking at, well, Euro USD might buy at this peak lower, below here. Anyway, let's call it a day. Be blessed. Thank you.